Hi, I'm Nini Nguyen, and I'm the cookbook author of Doc Viet. I'm here at MOFAD, the Museum of Food and Drink, and I'm in their cookbook corner, and I'm gonna go explore some cookbooks. And put mine in there too. A little bit about it, it's a Vietnamese cookbook in the eyes of someone who grew up in Louisiana, New Orleans specifically. It's really my love letter to Vietnamese culture. Every photo highlights like different things in our culture, from like different fruits to the nails. A lot of Vietnamese people in America are nail techs, and I think an industry that we were not always proud of, but I think that is something we should be really proud of, and we should celebrate it. It's an art, it should be celebrated. It's very Đặc Biệt, which means like special. I like this. Totally crab cookbook, and it's in the shape of a crab. This is really cute. Like, this is like a stocking stuffer. Lots of crab, all crab. I usually gravitate towards old cookbooks. The way we write cookbooks now, or recipes now, we rely so heavily on pictures, which I don't blame. I love a picture, but there's so much detail in old cookbooks that I don't know. I feel like I'm always learning. I like to pick a lot of different, of course, Asian cuisines. I love old Southern books. The presentation, like this one's a caviar one. I think this is crazy. I think everybody is a little too caviar crazy right now, but the presentation of this is pretty cool. Like these junior league ones, from home cooks to professional chefs, like everyone has little tricks that I just absorb and I use whenever I need to. And I find that these like junior league ones, depending on what region, it's really interesting because you can kind of understand like what kind of people live in like Jackson, Mississippi. There's like a Brazilian recipe, chow mein. Oh, they have a saltimbocca. When I always buy old books from the thrift store, and if there's one that's been like heavily like written in, I always usually get it. And I'm like, I wonder if this person was right. This one I found, Pirates Pantry. Fun fact, Louisiana was pretty much run by pirates. And it's in blue ink, which I thought was very unique. Oyster stuffed French loaf. This one's my favorite so far. Grace was a very popular name for Chinese chefs. This is Grace Chu, and this is Grace Young. But this one, The Pleasures of Chinese Cooking. Things that I really like about this book is they actually put MSG in everything. Like, this was before people were like, oh no, MSG. It's nice to know that there was a time where people didn't think it was bad. Barbecue spare ribs, and like if you ever see like the Chinese like barbecue houses where they hang everything and roast it, they show you how to do it in the oven. They have menus planned out for 4 people. There is an art of ordering. It was my responsibility to order. I have to make sure that, you know, you have enough seafood, enough vegetable, enough starch, like sweet, sour, salty, to make sure you have everything that like your palate might want. And they kind of spell it out. It's like soy sauce rice, cucumber, shrimp with cucumber, broccoli Chinese style, oolong tea, and preserved kumquats. Like this is the menu for 4. And the cucumber, I believe, is cooked. People don't know that you can cook cucumber. Let's see how the other Grace holds up. This is the first photo, which as a Vietnamese person, we have our version of this. This is like the mochi sesame ball that's fried. In Vietnam, we stuff it with mung bean and coconut. This Grace, she knows what she's doing. I love that there's this sticky rice dish that's like wrapped in sometimes like lotus leaf. They call it savory rice tamales. New Orleans, tours for food lovers. I love learning about the history of food and like how food changes depending on what groups of people. And I think I come from like the best place because there's so many different people who have come to New Orleans, who live there now, and it's truly, I think, really a melting pot. Like people don't think about that, but our regional cuisine is a reflection of the people that live there. And like dishes that have stories, you know? Oh, Palace Cafe. I worked at Palace Cafe. It just closed this year. That family invented Bananas Foster. Galatoire's Cafe du Monde. Cafe du Monde is like iconic, and I hope it never closes. It's all the places that like I know I've been, I've worked. Some of them don't exist anymore. It makes me sad. This is gonna help me remember. This makes me very nostalgic. So these are the ones I'm gonna steal. Just kidding.